All right, guys, how about today we go do a blue crab harvest? So let's go take a ride. Let's see what we got. Uh, Only one, but I'll take them. Oh, that's much better. There we go. Now I'll size them up and let's go eat them up. All right, guys, we are back in the kitchen. We are at home with the crabs. Let's have a look. I got them in a cooler bag and they have been chilled with an ice pack. They are still alive. I'm gonna try to reach in there, get that out of there. They're still kicking. So, but before that, let's weigh them up and see how much they weigh. Let's see what our harvest was. We got, wow, that's pretty good. That's exactly 3 pounds. Right, we're on pounds. 3 pounds of crabs. That is pretty good. So, let me show you how I'm going to cook them, or how I cook them. I am not going to show on video exactly how I prepare the crabs, but you will see once they go into the pan exactly how I do it. And I don't want to boil these crabs. I want to steam them with flavor. So this is what I use for steaming with flavor. I use a beer and just some garlic. Granulated garlic is all I use. So I am going to process these crabs and I will bring you back in a bit when they're done. It's going to take about 10 minutes for them to steam and they will be fantastic. I'll bring you back. Okay, so I got the crabs processed. Now, you might think why did I cut the crabs in half? Well, the reason why I did that is many years ago, I used to just take the crabs and throw them into the boiling pot of water. And I learned a trick from my older brother Paul, where one time he made blue crabs just like this, and his crabs tasted delicious, fantastic. And I remember asking him, I said, "What did you do to your crabs that makes them taste so much better?" Well, he told me he says, if you're going to steam your crabs and you want all of that delicious of, your broth, or if you're using Old Bay or whatever spice you're using, if you break your crab in half, everything will go into all of these little crevices. And it makes sense. If you just throw the whole crab in as a whole, all of that flavor is going to have a hard time going into your crab. But if you cut it in half, all of that flavor is going to infuse into the crab. So that's what I did. And that was a great tip from my brother. I've been doing it for years this way, and this is the way I will always do it. You get so much more flavor. So there we go. I mean, look at that. All right, guys. I'm going to get all these guys steaming in here, just bare. And then we are going to add just granulated garlic. Just a little bit, because I want the flavor of the crab. I will get them all in the pot, and then we'll be back when they're done. About 10 minutes. All right. It's been 10 minutes and the crabs are done. My God, they smell fantastic. Look at this. That is a steamed garlic blue crab that is full of juice, steamed with just simple garlic and beer. Look at that, guys. That is going to taste fantastic. So, that is going to be my little appetizer. And after I'm done with these guys, I got these guys, because my wife does not like crab, but I absolutely love it. Simple, just some steam them with beer and garlic, or if you have Old Bay is great as well. But guys, there's my snack. I'm not gonna be boring you cracking these crabs on video and eating them. It is a little sloppy, but guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please click the subscribe button, help out my channel, and I will be bringing you a lot more of this stuff. And if you would like, share the video. So till next time, guys, stay safe. That's just a quick way of how to cook your crabs. Look at all that goodness. And there's more. Good night, guys.